And there are different types of entrepreneurs according to the study. So we have innovating entrepreneurs, imitative entrepreneurs, Fabian entrepreneurs, drone entrepreneurs, and social entrepreneurs. So totally we have five types of entrepreneurs who are available in society based on past. So you have been observing the society, right? So we have seen lot of entrepreneurs in our day-to-day real time. So they have classified the entrepreneurs into five categories based on their observation. First one is innovating entrepreneurs. So innovative entrepreneurs are people who want to innovate. They won't copy anything. They are having idea of their own. They are very aggressive people in experimentation. They want to try something new always. They don't copy anything from anybody. They have lot of ideas. They are not short of ideas, and they are very much aggressive in putting those ideas into practice. They want to try out all their ideas in experimentation. That's why they have used the term. They are very much aggressive in experimentation. Aggressive in the sense they want to push their ideas into products. They are very strong on that. Always looking forward to opportunity to introduce new commodity or product. They don't want to reuse anything or they don't resell anything. They want to always introduce a new product or commodity into the market, new technique of production method or process, new market in which specific product not already entered, reorganizing the existing enterprises. First one is no, you know, it is new product which they are going to launch. So they have always look forward an opportunity. So every opportunity they get, they seize the opportunity and they want to introduce the new commodity or product. So it is completely new for the company as well as for society. Second one is product may be old, but the way of doing the way of producing the product, they are changing it. Same, you assume you are manufacturing vessels. The vessels, you know, it is common. The shape, size, everything is common. But I am going to introduce a new technique to manufacture those vessels, which is going to make them very, very strong. The first one is introducing a new type of vessel. That is the first thing. Second thing is vessel is already available. I am going to change the process so that if I change the process, the vessel is going to become hard and strong. Second one, new market in which a specific product are not already entered. So I'm going to market my vessels to a country abroad. You don't have the vessels what we use here abroad, right? So I'm going to tap a new market for me where the product was not used. So I'm going to tap a new market for the product elsewhere where it is not already being in use. Last one, reorganizing the existing enterprises. Already running companies, what changes if I do? I can maximize the efficiency or maximize the profitability of my company. So either you introduce a product or introduce a technique or introduce a new market itself or don't do any of the three. And last one is change your working style in your current companies to ensure that if you change that, you are going to achieve a lot of profit or you are going to achieve a lot of efficiency in your business. So that is going to be innovating entrepreneurs. This is possible only by an aggressive person who is willing to take any risk. Otherwise, a normal person cannot do all these things. He will not take risk at all to deliver all these 4 points. So such kind of persons can only work only when a lesser level of development is already achieved. So they always are development oriented. So they are people who can work only when certain level of development is already achieved. So they can take it forward from there. Some level of development is already achieved, and from that they can take the company forward and start innovating. Persons are often found in developed countries. So such type of innovative entrepreneurs are commonly found in developed countries. So not in developing countries, developed countries because they have the entire facilities to carry out their experimentation. And examples, the inventions like the introduction of small car nano by Ratan Tata, making mobiles available to every man by Anil Ambani are the works of innovative entrepreneurs. So they want the high-end facilities which are enjoyed by the upper class people to the common man also. So that is the reason why inventions like Tata Nano and your mobile phones by the CDMA mobile phones given by Anil Ambani are still considered to be more innovative because the common man had the facility of using them, but it was actually privileged only for the upper class to use it. But cars like Nano, which is available for 1 lakh, any common man can buy it because the price is very, very cheap. And mobile phones, it was very, very costly. But now with technological advancement, mobile phones are available at a very, very low cost to every common man now. So India is a potential market for all these mobile phones because we have a lot huge a lot of population using mobile phones, right? So they all the manufacturers consider India as potential marketing place for the mobile phones. So these two inventions are considered to be innovative. So again, we are seeing about entrepreneur type. First one is innovative entrepreneur who is very, very aggressive. He wants to always launch a new product or a new method or a new market itself. If these three are not possible, he will try for reorganizing his enterprise. And they are very commonly found in developed countries, very rare to see them in developing countries because of lack of facilities. So these are the characteristics of innovative entrepreneurs.